And now here's Stephen Caruso with this week's news.
Thanks, Jane. Here's the news that moved markets this week. Credit card holders are partying like it's 2019. After consumers paid off a record $83 billion in credit card debt during the pandemic, helped by government stimulus checks and lockdowns, credit card balances are creeping back up amid higher gas prices, groceries, and housing. Inflation is raising prices almost across the board. On top of that, the Federal Reserve's next rate hike will only make it more expensive to carry a balance. MasterCard and PayPal are benefiting from the increased spending as both stocks rose after reporting quarterly results. Well, speaking of partying, Meta shareholders finally had something to celebrate this week. The stock rose over 18% on Thursday after the company's earnings and daily active users came in better than expected. Meta's Facebook app now has almost 2 billion daily active users. Well, consumer spending is growing, but the rest of the economy, not so much. Consumer spending increased 2.7% in the first quarter. That, coupled with a host of good earnings reports this week, allowed the markets to shake off what was a lackluster first quarter reading of GDP. The economy contracted in the first quarter, which marked a significant reversal from the previous quarter, where the economy grew at the fastest pace since 1984. The first quarter economic results were hampered by the wave of Omicron infections to start the year. Russia's invasion of Ukraine and sky-high inflation were also contributing factors. Now here's Jane with another insightful one-on-one.